Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to make this beautiful crochet hair clip. You can make and sell as many as you want and it's amazingly beautiful. So let's start. First of all, make a slip knot and take your clip or hairpin. Make chain 1 and then start making single crochet. This is the first single crochet. Second single crochet. This stitch is very easy, but the process is very technical. This process is so easy that even beginners can do that. Now here in the center, after making 15 single crochet, make chain 1. So 15 single crochet are done. It's time to make one chain. Now in the other side, make again 15 single crochet until the end of the row. So I skip the stitches. Now it's time to make 4 chain. Make a slip stitch in the first chain. Watch carefully. Don't get confused. The process is very easy. Even beginners can do this. Make chain 1 and again 15 single crochet. No need to count these stitches, but if you are beginner, it will be helpful if you count these stitches. So I closed the clip because with open clip it was difficult to do work. The process is very smooth. I completed 15 stitches. Now in the central point make 2 single crochet. Here is the only point where I am going to make 2 single crochet in the same chain space. So 2 single crochet are done. Again, now in every chain make 1 single crochet. So there are 15 chains, so I made 15 single crochet. At this point, make 1 half DC. No, this is the last single crochet. Now at this chain space make 1 half DC. This is the half DC. Now make 4 DC, I mean 4 double crochet. 4 double crochet are done. Now make 1 more half double crochet. So it's done. It's time to make a slip stitch in the very first chain. Pin is completed. Now it's time to make flower. I hope this tutorial will help you a lot. make magic ring and 6 single crochet in the magic ring. It's raining. Okay, 6 single crochet are done. Now make a slip stitch in the very first chain, starting second round, chain 1, and now make 2 single crochet in each chain. So in this round I will have 12 single crochet. Now it's time to change color. So I am using pink color. Make a slip knot and join the color with previous project. Make chain 3. In the same chain make 2 double crochet, like this. Watch carefully. If you want to know how to do double crochet, just visit my channel. Again chain 3 and in the next stitch make a slip stitch. This is a process I will repeat and until my flower is done. The pattern is written. If you have any confusion, just let me know in the comment section. So look the final result. How beautiful these clips are. If you want to make these clips and if you make these, just tag me. If you love my creation, please hit the like button. Thank you.